Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Everyone, Absolute Alma here, and welcome back to another video. For this video, I thought I would show you a miniature studio tour. Let's get started. So on the left side of my desk, I have some of the essentials: paintbrushes, pens, pencils, washi tape, business cards, erasers, lead, all that stuff, all stacked up in this little cute CD thing that I found at Goodwill. It's pretty nice. Keeps everything pretty organized, so I can't complain. Along the front of the wall that I face are all the things that inspire me. So color palettes that I love, some of my most favorite works that have yet to sell, as well as some prints that I collect from people I admire. And this cute little shelf has some of my fun stuff on it. Let's go down below and check out some of the stuff stored underneath my table. So this drawer is filled with paper, sketchbooks, resin, primers, all the things that I kind of need in order to paint. And at the very bottom is all my printer stuff. So misprints, printer paper, I have a random tripod in there, and a lot of ink. To the right of that, I have these drawers that are filled with painting essentials, such as oils, acrylics. I have gouache and watercolors. And then the second to the last one is filled with random inventory stuff, such as my enamel pens, stickers, and glitter stuff that I'm collecting for resin pieces. And then that very bottom one is filled with random craft stuff that I just can never keep open or closed because it's spilling out everywhere. Below that, I store some of my lighting stuff and random stuff that just manages to fall behind the table. And over in this area is all my shipping supplies. Try to keep it all together so it's really easy to pull out. And here are some of the sketchbooks and art books that I collect over the years that are fun to flip through when I'm bored. Up top, I have my printer area. It's really small, so everything's just kind of stacked on top of each other. I have my scale that helps me weigh stuff when I go to ship things out. I have my Epson scanner. I have a Canon Pixma Pro 100 printer, as well as my laptop and my schedule planner stuff, all kind of in the mix there. Moving on to my tabletop, I have my water, my gouache palette, and my tabletop easel. I also recently purchased this lamp and it's amazing. I want to spray paint it mint so then it matches everything. The black's a bit harsh. Here's some close-ups of my gross cups that I have not washed for 2 years. Yay! And some sexy spin action on that pastel palette. What? These are the brushes that I currently use. I do not recommend them. Snag them off Amazon and the bristles pull out a ton. I have this random board that I use from one of my watercolor paper backings, and I just tape my current paintings on that so then it stays propped up. And yeah, that's about it for my little studio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know how good I'm gonna be on this part of the journey.
It sucks.
Okay, we got this. That kind of looks like a dick.
How?
Because if you get creative, like the balls, and I could just make a demented head part.
It's supposed to be a goat eye, but
Okay,
I
well,
guess
it's
I'll
going
take
good.
it. It's going good.
This could be great to go through. Get some from this angle. Be beautiful.
Okay.
Let's do this. Go. Mix it. Mix it. Yes. Go. Oh, beautiful.
Whatever.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, I've already been recording.
Oh my god.
Go.